Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix Instagram ad mention not showing on stories problem instantly. So, in order to fix this problem, you'll have to first of all check for app updates. Open Play Store or App Store, go to the search bar, type in Instagram, then update Instagram if an update is available. So you will see the update button available just right here. Click on the update button. After the update gets finished, simply restart the app and that would instantly fix this problem. Now, another way to fix this problem is opening Instagram, going on the profile icon at the bottom right side of the screen, click on three-lined icon at the top right. Now here, you can click on Meta Verified button and click on Join the Waitlist. Now, after this, you'll have to click on OK and you'll have joined the waitlist for Meta. After which, Meta will verify you and give you a creator account using which you can easily fix this problem. Now, another step is clearing cache and reinstalling Instagram. Simply navigate to Settings, search for Instagram, then click on the storage option on Instagram and click on Clear Cache. After you click on Clear Cache, all the temporary data will be deleted and that would fix the problem. If that doesn't fix it, what you'll have to simply do is navigate to Play Store, click on Uninstall, click on Uninstall again. That would uninstall Instagram. After which, you'll have to simply click on the Install button and reinstall it, and that would surely fix your problem. Now, you can also use alternative tagging methods. So what you can do is navigate to Instagram, navigate to your story, and you'll have to try mentioning the username in the text tool on your story. So click on the text icon and simply type in @, then type in username of the person you want to tag and click on done. After which, you can check if the mention feature works on another device or account. Now if these aren't fixing your problem, what you can do is navigate to your profile, click on three-lined icon at the top right, scroll down at the bottom and click on Help. Now choose Report a Problem. Now click on Report Problem without shaking. Now click on Include and Continue, and here you can briefly explain what problem you're facing and what is not working. And Instagram will surely contact you and fix this problem. So that is the simple way through which you can fix Instagram ad mention not showing on stories problem. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.